Okay, so we are at the end of our PowerPoint, and now we're going to do some extra practice. So you need to get out 3 things. You need to get out your little marker, your eraser, and your Tap It, Map It, Zap It board. Okay, so if you need a minute to get those out, go ahead and pause the video so that you can get ready. While you're getting that out, I'm going to switch to our Elmo. Okay. Remember, you can always pause it if you need just a minute. So the first word we're going to work on is beep. What's the word? Beep. Like you beep a horn on a car. Ready? Let's say it. Beep. Let's tap it. B-E-P. Beep. Let's map it. B-E-P. I know my E is going to be long, but he's not going to have a sneaky E. When he's in the middle, we know that he's going to be the 2 E's together. So let's write B-E-P. Beep. What if I want to change beep to B? I can just get rid of my last sound, can't I? Good. What if I want to change B to C, like I see you? Can change my B to a C. What if I change C to seed? What sound do you hear at the end of seed? Good. The letter D. Seed. Seed. What if I change seed to feed? What sound would I change? I'm going to change S to feed. All right, let's erase our board. And let's do the word me. What's the word? Me. Let's tap it. M-E. Our E is at the end, so he's going to be, we know this week he's going to be long. If he's at the end and he says his name, he's usually going to be by himself. So let's sound it out again. M-E. Ready? M-E. Me. If I spelled it with 2 E's, could I look at it and say, that doesn't look right? And then I can check it. That looks much better. I can change me to we by changing the beginning sound. So, changes to w, we. All right, let's do one more. Let's do the. What's the word? The. Ready? Let's tap it. V-E. Map it. V-E. Let's write it. V. We know our TH is going to be in one box because he makes one sound. And then E. Remember, this the is not like I'm going to the park. This is an old spelling of the that we don't really use anymore. So we're going to make sure that he gets 1 E. And I can check it and I can say that looks like the sight word that I know. Okay, so we got to be careful with that word. I can change the to she by changing the digraph. So instead of the sound, I can have sh, sh. And we know SH says shh. All right. Now we're going to get out of our green folder our workbook page for today. Remember, your packet is still all together. So let's look at our pictures. All right, we're going to go over the pictures together. We know our 2 E's together are going to say, what sound? E. All right, so let's look at our picture. We have a weed. We have geese, wheel, feed, because they're feeding the dog, teeth, like in your mouth, your teeth, sweep, peek, and heel. Okay? So your job is to look for the picture that matches these words. Cut them out and glue them nice and neat in those squares. Remember, these pages need to stay in your green folder so Miss Woolley can check them. So don't take them off, but make sure you only cut out the one page. If it helps you to rip it off and then put it in your folder when you're done, that's fine too, okay? After you're done with this, you can get on Epic, and I'm going to share some books with you about ants, since that's what our story was about this morning. If you have questions or you're having problems getting on Schoology, please have your mom or your dad call me or send me a dojo message, okay?